Hi students, I am here to put some twist in your Microsoft Excel practical work. Today we are going to learn the consolidate or consolidation in Excel. First, we have to know what is consolidate or consolidation. Actually, the consolidate function in Excel allows an analyst to combine information from multiple workbooks into one place. Like I had prepared one work for you, some data I have taken to show you. First I have created one folder, the name of the folder is consolidation. I had created one folder, the name of this folder is consolidation. By double clicking over here to open the folder, here you can see three individual Excel worksheet or workbook I have created. First one is the item 1, look at one. This one is the item 1 worksheet, month wise, yearly month wise item sales as mentioned here. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. The item, paper, ink, file. So let's consider it is a sales of any 1 year. This one item 2. Same items for another year. Month wise item I have sales list I have shown to you here. Next one is the item 3. So before performing consolidate operation in Microsoft Excel, so we have to select all three items first, and all together we have to open in Microsoft Excel. After selecting all three items 1, 2, 3 and press enter to open. Let's see all three items as open to your Excel. Okay, how you can see, if we click on this restore window button, it will break into a different window. Just let's see. Okay, all items has come to in our Microsoft worksheet window. Click maximize button to make it a full screen size. Next, I can go to the office button, select new, click on the blank workbook and click create button to create the new workbook for performing the consolidate operation. Our next word is, and one thing I have already said you that students, you can use Excel's consolidate features to consolidate your worksheet. It means located in one workbook or multiple workbooks into one worksheet. Okay, and combine functions together in a single unit. We can source to any users or us. So this operation also known as the consolidate operation. So how to perform our next work, just follow everybody. Let's click on the view option, then choose arrange all, click on the arrange all. Then from the arrange windows come to the your computer monitor screen and select tiled and click OK. Let's see, all four workbooks are divided into a 4 splitting screen into your single worksheet. Clear? This all are the item lists that came, item 1, item 3 and item 2 listed here, and this one is our consolidate operation blank workbook. We created this blank workbook for performing the consolidate operation. So the item 1, item 2 and item 3 list I will provide to you students for the operations. So you will get all these three data. If want, you can create by yourself by your own choice. First everybody will understand what is the operation of the consolidation in Microsoft Excel. Now let's see. Next I can choose the topmost row of the blank workbook, A1. What is the address of the cell? A1. I can choose it. Now we are going to perform the consolidate operation. Next, click on the data. Okay, click on the data. Then we can choose from the data tools group, this one, this group, this portion is known as the data tools group. We can choose the consolidate. From the function box, lots of functions are here. We can choose some. From the reference box, this is actually indicates the cell reference. We can click here in cell reference box and click on the first item 1, then press Ctrl Shift right arrow, then Ctrl Shift down arrow, then click to this box and add. Item 1 box is chosen here. I add the cell range of the item 1 workbox. Next, again we can choose it here from come to the item 2 box. Click over here, Control Shift right arrow, Control Shift down arrow. Click to this box and click add to continue. Okay, again we can choose the cell reference or cell range box. Now item 3, we can choose the item, Control Shift right arrow, Control Shift down arrow. Click over here and add. We must have to click all these three options, top, left and create links to source data. We must have to click all these three options, top row, left column and create links to source data, and click OK to continue. Let's see. All the calculation has done and everything has shown in this window. That works is known as the consolidated works. Look at everybody, the item paper. The item paper in January months of 3 individual years, the total is 5,900. If you can create a sum function of these three values of January paper of the January month 1850, paper of the January month 2500 and paper selling of the January month 1550. If you will add all three data, then you will get this value 5900. Clear? So for better understanding, so we can maximize this window and everybody can see two subtotal boxes created at topmost cell of the top right corner of the starting of the cell in Excel worksheet and workbook. Double click over here to make cells a little bit width and I can drag this blank cell over here. So every total values I got, this whole cells indicates the sum of the all products, all items. So which purpose we are using the blank cell, so everybody can see these all are the subtotals option. Here we can get all the subtotals. If I click option 2, here everybody see item 1 individual list, the year wise the sale item, item 2 January, item 3 and the paper. This the total, we can get all the totals. If possible, you can make it poll by yourself, and it depends on you. You know how to go. So this all are the examples of the consolidation. I can get some values of all the products, all the items of the different years, month wise total we can get after solving the consolidated operation. These are the examples of consolidated operation, students. So then after that you have to save this worksheet. Click onto the office button, select save as option. In the desktop I have chosen the folder what is the name of consolidation. Then I can put this page name is consolidation, CONSOLIDATION, consolidation. Save. Then I can close all the window I can close. Then I will open to see all the works togetherly. Look at here, I get my whole values over here. Okay, thank you very much, students. Everybody can apply this work to your computers, and let me show after performing the consolidation operation. I am eagerly waiting for you, students, your result. What will be your result? Definitely you can show to me. Thank you very much, students. Good night.